Hello and welcome to Persian Cuisine. Today we're going to show you how to make a very delicious homemade Chinese food. Here are the ingredients you will need for the stir fry. The first one, of course, is chicken. I cut it very thinly to make it cook fast, and a little bit of a ginger and some garlic. There is no rule to garlic. I love a lot of garlic, so you can use as much as you want or as little as you want. And for 2 people, I have 2 noodle packages. Obviously, I'm not going to use the spices that are included in there because I think it's full of MSG. I just use the plain noodles and some soy sauce. Our chicken is stir frying in medium heat, and I added some frozen broccoli into water and let it boil about 5 minutes. Then I take it away from the stove. I have a pot here. I added about a few cups of water, and then as soon as it's boiling, I'm going to add the noodles into the boiling water. Here we go. These are the noodles, 1 for each person, and I let it boil. And as soon as it's getting soft, I pass it through a strainer and add it to our chicken and broccoli that is already cooking. Here is the chicken, stir frying, and I have the garlic and ginger adding to the chicken. I cut the gingers on purpose a little bit bigger, so if someone doesn't like it, they can just put it aside. At this point, I'm going to add some soy sauce onto the sizzling chicken and make it cook together very well. Please make sure once you're adding the soy sauce onto the chicken, you're going to lower the temperature and put the lid on and let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Noodles are ready to be passed through the strainer and being served. I had some coleslaw left in the fridge, and once you add the coleslaw into the chicken, it looks beautiful and it tastes absolutely delicious. You can add the broccoli on top of the noodle, and then everything is ready to be served now. Here's our noodle and broccoli. First goes in the plate, then the rest of the ingredients go on top. This is our beautiful homemade Chinese dinner. It's a combination of noodles, broccoli, chicken, garlic, ginger, and coleslaw. You can add sesame seeds if you like it on top. And for the garnish, I just added some hot sauce. This is absolutely delicious. It's just wonderful, and it's much faster than the takeout, and is much healthier because you know what you're actually adding to your food. There's no MSG, no preservative whatsoever. It's fresh from your kitchen. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Bon appetit and Nusha Jan. Till next time. Bye for now.